Hello and welcome to Tshukudu BehindCam. Please join us on the lifetime experience of Swadine Dam. Traveling to Swadine Dam, it was great adventure on its own. The road had the most beautiful mountain scenery.
The child, if they believe the child gonna get more weight, but they don't touch the head with the star. They think also the head gonna get big. And again, look at the electric cable crossing the canyon. You can look on top of that mountain, there's an electric mast, and this side on top of the hill is another one. So each comes in 1965. It takes 2 weeks to build those two electric masts. The distance from this side to another side is 1.5 kilometers long. So there is a 5 cable crossing the canyon. The weight of one cable is weighs 3 tons. And they use a helicopter, super freelance helicopter, to pull those cables across the canyon. So this is our longest hanging cable crossing the canyon in Africa. We call it Maripskop Mountain. This is a flat mountain here. That one I said you've got a fenboard vegetation. It's a tropical rainforest. You can look nicely, you can see the vegetation. It's not the same with this one. That one is dark green, this one is a light green. So that mountain, Maripskop Mountain, it is our highest mountain here on this area, 1,944 meters above sea level. If you can go up there at night, clear sky, you look through Kruger Park, you can see the lights of Mozambique. It's very high. And if you can look nicely there, you can see there's a tower on top of that mountain. You've got the telecom antennas, broadcasting antennas, and the radio station. The Air Force base radio station is on top of that mountain. And that radio station can pick up information as far as Sudan. The one the army, they were checking the flights and the boat coming to South Africa and going out. So that is our highest mountain here on this area. So as I said, that mountain is a tropical rainforest. In our tropical rainforest is a place where we can find our South African national flower. Because here we've got leopard. If leopard kill those animals near to the cave, they pull inside to eat. So no one living on a cave, no marks, no fossils found on a cave. 40 meters deep, that is the Tufa cave. Right, so from the cave to the right, if you look nicely there and you use the imagination, what do you see there, guys? A face.
A face, yeah.
Are you sure? A face?
Oh, it looks like a skull.
Yeah.
It looks like a skeleton.
Gorilla.
A
A gorilla.
Yeah, it looks like a gorilla.
Yeah, those flying. Can you see that place there? So now that rock is building, is going to the south because of the culture. That's why we call this waterfall, it's a Tufa waterfall.
Okay.
So, and my question is this. As I said, this waterfall is recorded as the tallest Tufa waterfall in Africa, second tallest in the world. Do you know the tallest Tufa waterfall in the world? So the tallest normal what? Tallest normal waterfall.
It's the Niagara.
Angel.
Angel.
Yes, Angel in Venezuela.
Okay.
That is the tallest and normal waterfall. The second tallest normal waterfall.
What is the Okrabis Fall? I'm thinking of Okrabis Fall.
Ochrabis.
Yes, Okrabis.
Yeah, it's a normal one.
Oh.
It's a normal waterfall, yes. So the tallest and normal waterfall in the whole world is Angel in Venezuela. The second tallest is here in South Africa. Do you know that one?
Victoria,
You must keep quiet. You must keep quiet. Yeah, I know you must. No, I don't want to answer. Yeah, because this guy is a Zulu man. Okay, who can try? You already tell me that waterfall I hear. So you guys around take nice pictures for the gorilla face, the cave, and here's the three round mountains, the three roundabouts. You can see the first one with the noble on top. And the river coming from this side, it's a Blyde River. Blyde, it means happy or glad. Blyde River. And we've got a short history about these three roundabouts. A long time ago, there was a people staying on this place, Mapulana people. If I talk about that mountain, I call it Maripskop Mountain. Maripskop Mountain is come from the name of the chief. The chief of this place, it was Maripe Mashile. So Maripe Mashile, with his tribe, they were residing on this area, Mapulana people. So they had a fight with the Swazi warriors. So in the fight, the Mapulana people, they ran on top of that mountain, they call Muhulu Hulu. Muhulu Hulu, it means great, great one. So because those Swazis, they were chasing them with the spears, and those guys, they run on top of that mountain. If they're on top of the mountain, they put a big boulder. If the Swazis, they come to attack the Mapulani people, and those guys, they roll the big boulder to kill the Swazis. It's how Chief Maripe Mashile, he conquered the war, and after Chief Maripe Mashile, he conquered the war, he decided to honor himself by naming these three round mountains after his three wives, which is Mudimula, Mokhaladikwa, and Mosiril. So the man was lucky to have three wives, but three mother-in-law. And then part of us, we got this tree here. The tree is Matumi tree. And on that tree, you can see that the beds, and there's a nest there. So that is a white-breasted cormorant, the water bed. A white-breasted cormorant. Those birds, they eat fish. They can dive underwater for 3 minutes looking for fish, and they can eat 4 kilograms of fish a day. A white-breasted cormorant. So do they have a fishing license? It's only one they go to fishing license. And they feel safe in the air because those baboons, they give them a problem. They eat the eggs and the chicks, but here they are safe. Because those guys, they can't come in. So you can see also you can hear the sound of water. There's a lot of water coming down here. Here's the water, the infra, the water. So this water, a long time, it was flowing straight here on this place. Now they take another way. So this water, they take out some, build up the rock, and change the direction.
We spotted a crocodile in shallow waters.
You can see a straight there. Yeah, you can see the water out there.
Yeah, you can see right through. We saw they were us as well. They were all of them.
Oh man, that thing's fake.
Yeah, it's a rubber.
Someone said fake because he's still.
Until next time, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.